Hey there, everybody. Toss with Basecamp Trading. It is Tuesday, February 24th, and we're going to take a look here at a trade that we're currently in right now. That is long in FRMI, currently up about 29%. And what we're watching for with this has potential to really rip here. So this is a really nice looking breakout setup. We have well-defined resistance at about the 1057 to 1060 area, where we've tagged this horizontal resistance level at least 2 times here in the past. So that is what we call well-defined. Then we have this higher low leading into the breakout setup. So we put in a higher low, which is good. Looking for that pop through resistance. You could also argue it's a inverted head and shoulders here, but either way, the breakout point takes place at 1060. If we can get through that 1060 level, and then this little peak right back here at 1088, then we should be good to go into this gap. Half a gap fill puts us about the 12 and a quarter to 13 area, and then a full gap fill puts us all the way back up to like the 14 level. So this has a lot of potential to run. And the thing that we were actually looking at that tipped us off to this is unusual options activity. So this is Trade Scanner Pro, which is coming. It's not quite available to everybody yet, but it's part of one of the things we do here at Basecamp Trading. But Trade Scanner Pro highlighted, you can see FRMI here. $12 C's coming across for February 20th, or for March 20th. So somebody's buying March 20th with a lot of volume, several thousand contracts, when the open interest had only been 13 at the time. So ton of call buying in FRMI. There was unusual, way out of the money, 20% or more above current price, and an expiration within a month. So that's really what highlighted it for us. Then again, this breakout setup makes this look really good for that pop above 1060, and looking for that push into the gap and potentially getting that full gap fill. So keep an eye on it. Like I said, I'm currently long right now. I'm in the March $10 C's. They're up, like I said, 29% at the moment, but looking good so far, and letting this continue to ride for that continuation trade up into the gap. And again, our next target is going to be around that $12 level. So that's it for now. Hope it helps. Again, Trade Scanner Pro is coming. This is unusual options scan part of the Trade Scanner Pro, but it also does a lot of other things like scanning for momentum plays in crypto and stocks, ETFs. But we have a lot coming with Trade Scanner, so be on the lookout for that in the coming months. But that's it for today. If you want to get into the trading room and get these trades with us, all you got to do is go to bctnow.com/join. There's a link down in the description. But that's it for now. Until next time, everybody, happy trading.